How to fix SIM not detected error on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can fix SIM not detected on Android device. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you're having the issue of your SIM not being detected on your Android device, you can just follow up with this process. In order to do that, you just need to open up the main settings of a device. After opening up your main settings, you just need to scroll down a bit until you're able to see the apps option. Simply tap on apps, and here you just need to search for SIM toolkit, or you may just scroll down until you're able to see SIM toolkit. I'm just gonna directly search for it, SIM toolkit. You can see this option very easily. Just tap on it. After tapping on it, you will be taken to this page where you will be able to see storage option. So you just need to click on storage. After that, tap on clear cache and clear data as well if necessary. After that, just restart your device and you should be able to fix your issue of your SIM not being detected on your device, Android device. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to fix your error on your device. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.